Hi, and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make Dijon chicken. So I want a couple tablespoons of butter or oil in my skillet. And a couple teaspoons of butter. And the recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts. I'm using chicken tenders. And I'm using frozen chicken. So I'm going to put what I can. I got 5 chicken tenders in the skillet. I'm going to turn the heat down, put a lid on this, and let them brown a bit. And I'll be back when that's, excuse me. While my chicken is cooking, I'm going to prepare the sauce. A tablespoon of brown sugar. Quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, one-quarter cup of Dijon mustard, and a half a cup of half and half. Whisk that all together. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to wait until it's time to use it. And I'll be back. Okay, because I'm using frozen chicken tenders, there's a lot of liquid coming out of it. So I've uncovered it. I'm going to cook the liquid off and brown the chicken. And I've got a pot of rice on the back of the stove here. So I'm going to serve this with the rice, and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, my chicken is browned. Now I'm going to add a small, thinly sliced onion. I want to get a little bit of color on the onion. Pull this chicken up. That's hot. My rice is nearly done. Now I've got some color on the onion. Turn this heat down. I'm going to add my sauce. Picking up brown color off the skillet from the chicken. Now I'm going to let this simmer for about 12 minutes on low heat, and I'll be back. Hi, I'm back, and this is the finished product. Give it a little taste, and it's very good. The Dijon flavor is very light. The half and half and brown sugar help to lighten that up. Hopefully you give this a try and you'll like it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.